Hi, I'm Lorna Bateman. Today I'm going to be showing you what is called Drizzle stitch. It's a stitch that I've played with over the last 10 or so years. It's a wonderful stitch enabling one to create various items of embroidery. And to give you an example, this little pincushion here, I've created this little sheep using the Drizzle stitch. It's a totally different stitch using quite different methods to what normal embroidery stitches, the methods used there. To make it easy for you to try this stitch and to have a project in mind, I've created a kit to either complete the little pincushion or the picture, or if you wanted to, you could cut it up and put it onto buttons, onto a cushion.